Hello my friends, and welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out this flower wreath. So let me go ahead and open this up. Wow, they packaged that very nice. Very protected too. That's some hard plastic. Alright, here we go. So, let's open this up. Show you guys. Now, this can be a do-it-yourself wreath, or you can hang this around like vine. It is losing a lot of little... Oh, it smells funky too. So it's all glued together, so there's glue strings everywhere. It's nice looking, but it definitely smells weird. So we're definitely going to put this outside, and it is losing a lot of like green and white fibers all over the place. So we're going to take this outside, and that's where we're going to set it up. So it's kind of a bad day, but just to show you guys what it kind of looks like outside. The color is very vibrant. It's nice. This is what it looks like up close. Yeah, it has a weird smell. Once we line this up, so this is how it's going to look better. It looks real from a distance, so it is pretty nice. I'll give it probably in person about a 3 stars. That's just my personal opinion. We'll probably put it around that door once it's not raining, but yeah, not bad.